Right? The first one. What is the momentum of a body of mass 5 kg moving with velocity 0.20 meter per second? For this, please note momentum P is mass into velocity. The formula that we will use is P is equal to M into V. So the given mass is
Sir, what is the full form of P?
momentum. अमीश
Sir, P.
लास्ट क्लासेस भी ना रिवाइज करते हैं छुट्टियों में, सिर्फ ड्रम बजाने का काम नहीं है आपका। आपने कुछ भी रिवाइज नहीं किया? लास्ट चैप्टर रिवाइज किया आप लोगों ने कि नहीं? Momentum is mass into velocity. M stand for mass and V stand for the velocity. The mass of body is 5 and velocity is 0.20. So the momentum will be 1 kilogram meter per second. Please note down the solution. Mass 5 into 0.20. So this is 1 kilogram meter per second.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, do we have to write the questions?
क्या?
Sir, questions लिखने हैं?
हाँ लिखने हैं।
Okay, sir.
First one is, what is the momentum of body of mass 5 kg moving with the velocity of 0.20 meter per second? So the answer is 1 kilogram meter per second. Sanpreet, clear? Sanpreet, Praneet, Arshit.
Yes, sir.
Vaibhav, Sanchit.
Yes, sir.
The next one is, a body of mass 25 kg has a momentum of 125 kilogram meter per second. Calculate velocity. Calculate velocity. So in this equation, we are given with momentum. Momentum is P 125 kilogram meter per second. Mass is also given. Mass is 25 kg. Velocity is to 5. So velocity will be momentum upon mass. Velocity V is equal to P by M, or V is equal to 125 by 25, which is 5 meter per second. So the velocity of body is 5 meter per second. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the answer for the second numerical is 5 meter per second. Okay, note down equation for the third numerical. it is what force should be needed. What force means we have to calculate force to produce an acceleration 4 meter per second square on a ball of mass 6 kg. Mass is 6 kg. We are to find force, acceleration is given, and mass is also given. Weber, Weber,
Yes, sir.
which formula we will use?
Sir, I don't know.
Formula used will be F is equal to ma. Means force is mass into acceleration. Calculate force by using this formula. F is equal to F is equal to ma. Anji Sanpreet, final answer.
सर एक मिनट सर आ नहीं रहा आंसर
बेटा 6 into 4 कर दे. टेबल आता है 6 का.
सर यस सर 20
20, 6 into 4, 20. Very good.
सॉरी सर वो
24.
मैं दूसरा कर रहा था 24
So the force is 6 into 4, that is 24 Newton. Unit of force is Newton.
सर फोर्थ क्वेश्चन लिख लें.
हाँ जी लिखिए. For the fourth one, mass given है हमें 100 kg और velocity इनिशियल थी उसकी 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड और चेंज हो गई 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Initial was 5 meter per second and final velocity 8 meter per second. एट मीटर पर सेकेंड और टाइम है हमारे पास 6 सेकेंड. हमने कैलकुलेट करना है मोमेंटम इनिशियल और फाइनल. इनिशियल मोमेंटम के लिए हम मास को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे विद द इनिशियल वेलोसिटी और फाइनल मोमेंटम के लिए हम मास को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे विद द फाइनल वेलोसिटी. और फोर्स निकालने के लिए मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन. मास हमारे पास गिवन है v2 माइनस v1 डिवाइडेड बाय 6. करके देखिए इसे. Please discuss if you have any kind of doubt related to this question. And please complete up to question numerical 10. And we will proceed further by tomorrow.